Hey Brent, this is Sean again. I just wanted to show you the cause of your turbo failure. These are the two screens from the banjo fittings on both of the oil control valves. These I took out. I mean, they're dirty, but you can still see light through them. You can see it's kind of tan. This is the banjo fitting from the oil supply line to the turbo. No light. None at all. You cannot see through it. And this is after I've already, you can see debris, a little bit of the debris. It doesn't come up on the camera as well as I can see it, but there's debris up inside, and still, like I said, you see there's no light. So your turbo bearing failed just because of a lack of oil to the turbo.